Greetings from our nation's capital. I'm Greg Ugalde, builder developer from Connecticut and our 2014 BuildPAC chairman. Whenever I walk around Capitol Hill, it brings back very special memories. I was fortunate to gain very valuable experiences during my tenure at Congressman Tim Wirth's office. He was from Colorado and later was elected to Gary Hart's seat in the United States Senate. At the time, we worked for the Telecommunications, Consumer Protection, and Finance Subcommittee, which he chaired. Among other responsibilities, we had oversight for the FCC and SEC, so you can imagine that we never had a dull moment. The skills that one acquires, knowledge of how the legislative process works, fine-tuning people skills in very demanding situations, and the concept that the workday never ends, are attributes that stick with you forever. As I stand here, I realize how important the legislative and political process is to our industry, and I have certainly acquired a great deal of respect for the impact that our lobbying and BuildPAC staff has on the entire process. It is critical that the home builders are represented at the federal level and have a voice in Congress. We must continue to educate our federal lawmakers, teach them that the health of housing is key to the overall state of the U.S. economy and that housing equals jobs. BuildPAC, NAHB's Political Action Committee, is a vital tool to our industry and to making our voice heard on Capitol Hill. NAHB's advocacy efforts are at work every day here in Washington, working to improve the legislative climate for NAHB members like you and me. The PAC is one of the most effective tools we have to educate our federal legislators. By supporting candidates who understand issues important to our industry, we help ensure that housing will remain at the forefront of the national debate during this critical time in housing's recovery. It doesn't matter if you are a single-family builder, multi-family builder, a remodeler, or an associate member. You are impacted every day by the decisions made on important issues including tax reform, housing finance reform, immigration reform, and environmental policies, just to name a few. BuildPAC helps ensure that NAHB is at the table during these legislative debates and not on the menu. Nationwide, participation in BuildPAC is critical to strengthening housing's voice in Washington by building a solid, unified voice for the housing industry. NAHB can deliver our message on Capitol Hill effectively. Thank you for standing up for housing today by supporting BuildPAC. Your leadership is critical to NAHB's success here in Washington.